Alright guys, Team with Motorcycling, back with another video. And today I have a box here of 9 discs that I sent off to Huk Lab to get all of the discs dyed. If you guys are not familiar with Huk Lab, they are a company that does this. They just basically put on a tri-fly die that's about 7 inches in diameter, and this is what I had done to all my discs. This was purchased probably, oh gosh, I don't know, probably 7 or 8 years ago. So this is one of my buds that I've had for quite some time, and I wanted more of these. And rather than buy whatever they had on their shelf, I wanted my own discs to get dyed like this. So that's what I sent off to have them do, and it finally came back in the box. It's upside down because I don't want you guys to see my dress. But essentially, I'm going to unbox them. It's a custom, sort of semi-custom dye program, but they did not have the service in the past, and now they do. Basically, you get to send your own discs, or you can have a retailer send the discs that you like to them, and they will put their tri-fly dye on there for you. So let's go ahead and unbox them. I have not seen these in person, and again, these are my own personal discs. Some of them are lightly used, and some of them are brand new. And they recommended, there's a whole web page that you can look up, but basically they recommend that either get some brand new Star-like, Champion-like plastic, or lightly used ones because the dye might not absorb as well. And then there's like a whole instructions and whatnot, and what needs to be filled out and all that good stuff when you send it in, and obviously put your name on the back of the disc so they know whose it belongs to. So I'm super excited about this. And here we go. Alright, it's upside down like I said. That's my name. Oh man, that looks amazing. Wow. Wow, that looks so flipping cool. That black. So this is the Halo Star. You guys can see the difference with the Z plastic. It fades and it's not as bright, vibrant. I don't know if this fading is because it's 7 years old, but that looks much different on the Halo plastic. Much darker, much more vibrant, and that is super cool. Super cool. I love that. All right, I'm gonna flip all the discs over so that you guys can start like that. So that's the Halo Star Wraith, and I've been throwing this one, so it's lightly used, but they were able to get on just fine. The next disc is a Vanish. That is pretty freaking cool. I love green, and I saw this green and blue combination, I had to have it. So again, this is the Vanish Neutron plastic, so it's very similar to Star or ESP by Discraft, but those look amazing. That is so cool. All right, let's go on to the next one. I'm super excited about this. So that's the Vanish. The next disc is another Vanish. It's blue and pink this time, and I don't have a lot of pink discs, especially bright ones like this, and I thought this was really cool. And this is looking so much better in person. I don't know if this camera is going to capture it for you guys, but that is amazing with a tri-fly. So that's 3 discs. The next one is a Star AVR 3. I don't own a Star AVR 3. It's my first one. Actually, I might own a first run AVR 3, but wanted to die. Again, you guys can see how vibrant this stamp looks on the Star plastic. So there we go. Next is my Zone, and this is a newer Zone. I've actually been throwing this Zone, so it's slightly used, but you can see the difference in the Z plastic and the Star plastic. Or I don't know if I have a Discraft ESP in here, but we'll find out in a minute. So it still looks very vibrant compared to my old beat up. You can see the difference in the Z plastic with the new Z plastic and the old Z plastic. So this is faded. This has been in the sun a lot, used and abused, and this one has not. So that looks pretty darn good. I'm loving these tri-flies. They did a great job with these. Next is a Halo Star Destroyer. I love throwing destroys. I got the Halo Star because it's a little bit more stable than a regular star, and I don't have a star with a tri-fly on it, but I didn't know how it would turn out, and this looks pretty cool with the red background and the black. So that is pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Super excited about that. Alright, got 3 more discs. Next is another Vanish with a neutron, and this looks amazing with the white, black, and red. That is awesome. I think this is the, let's see, much lighter plastic, I think. I think it's 174. It's 174. But that looks so cool like that. Pretty cool. Next is ESP Plastic Hades. So the Hades, I couldn't find one without the light stamp like some of these are. But I wanted to tri-fly anyways because I throw a lot of Hades. And that's pretty cool. So it actually looks vibrant on the ESP Plastic as well. But again, this was slightly used, so my Hades have been used quite a bit. So I wasn't sure if it would take, but they tried it and it worked out just fine. And the last but not least is another Hades. So both of these Hades are a little bit more stable than the ones that I've been throwing. The ones I've been throwing are so beat up that I didn't bother setting them to get a tri-fly. But yeah, those are the tri-fly pack. These are the discs I sent in to get tri-fly stamp on them, and now they're gonna go in the bag. And then the rest is a Huk Lab sticker. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing of the Huk Lab custom die program that they have. They'll put this on any disc you send them, and they will actually remove the stamp as well. I did not want the stamp removed. I actually like the stamp on these, so I left them the way they were. But if you want to, they can remove these. I think they charge an extra $3 or something to get these removed before they put their tri-fly on. But I didn't care. I like having it on there, so I'm okay with it. Maybe if I find some blank white discs, I'll send it to them. But regardless, that's pretty much it, guys. See you next time.